Hello, Richard here with Rako Controls, and this video is about configuring the raklink. Hopefully you've already written a project file and you've managed to connect to the bridge, and this is the next stage in programming a Rako wired system. So the absolute quickest way to get the raklink online is to take the front cover off the raklink, find the blue micro switch at the top and press and hold the button for 2 or 3 seconds until the LED starts to blink. If the system's wired up correctly at this point, you will get the setup page pop up. The first thing you need to do with this is give the raklink a name, so I'm just going to call this raklink 1. If you had more than one raklink on the system, you could call it raklink 2, raklink 3, etc. and click next. We don't need to use this next setup page. As you can see, it says not required for device, so we can just click next, and then finally we can click finish, and that should be our raklink online. Okay, now we need to add some racks. These are the dimming packs that we want to control, and in this example we're going to use rack 4Ts, so I'm going to add 4 in. I'm also going to set the box type here, so in this case it's a rack 4T. And you'll also notice that the software generates a box address number. These dip switch settings, the ones on the right hand side here in the red, they need to be physically set on the rack 4s in your installation. So once you've done that, you can click on circuits mapping. So if you've been organised enough to keep a note or make a list of circuits, this is really simple to do. So we're just saying on box 0, circuit 1, we've got the living room pendant lights wired. Circuit 2, it's the wall lights, circuit 3, it's the table lamp, and circuit 4, it's the second table lamp. So we just go through using the drop down menus, and we're just instructing the software as to how the system's been wired. Once you've completed all this information, you just go to the bottom of the page, click save for upload, and yes, and this uploads the mapping information to the raklink. So that's the raklink mapping done, and if everything is programmed correctly, you should now have control of the different rooms from the software. So we click on living room, click through the scenes, and just check that we've got control of all the circuits, and there we go. Hopefully that's your raklink configured. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.